I've been going crazy, going stupid all day today, and I'm just like, it's really sunny outside today, but I can't go outside because hey babes, what's up? It's Andrea, and today I'm here with a new video for you guys. Hey babes, what's up? It's Andrea, and today I'm here with a new video for you guys. So today's video is going to be how to make this fake nose ring. Yes, it's fake. It looks real. I know lots of people really want to have a nose piercing, but they don't know how their nose will look with the piercing. Or if you just want the piercing, but you don't want to necessarily commit to having it and take care of it, and maybe you're in a sport where you're not allowed to have piercings, and yeah. So if you guys want to do this, you want to learn how to do it, this is the perfect video for you guys. This is pretty believable. I mean, a lot of people think that it's real. This is it right here, if you guys can see. I tell you guys, I go out in public and my friends will be like, Andrea, is that real? And I'm like, yeah. She's like, oh my gosh, you got a new piercing, Andrea. I'm like, yeah, something like that, I guess. But little do they know, it's not real. This is super easy to make, but you do need a couple of materials to have, which I will show in the next clip. I just want to add a little disclaimer to begin with. Do this at your own risk. There are some things that you need in order to make the nose ring. Make sure that you're not putting random things on your skin. Make sure that you know that it's safe to put on your skin and that you're not doing something that could possibly like harm you in the future. But do this at your own risk. Just make sure that you're being safe during this whole process and that you're not going crazy, going stupid.
Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, make sure to like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe, because that would really mean the world to me if you guys can do that. I would really appreciate it. So I really hope you guys like this video, and let's get right into it.
Hey guys, so to start off, you're going to need a spiral notebook. It can be any notebook, but it should look like this, or the spirals should look similar to this. You're gonna need some pliers, and you're also gonna need some scissors, but not just any scissors, really strong scissors. You're gonna need some rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball. So you're gonna take your spiral notebook and you're gonna start from the bottom, as you can see, the very bottom. You're gonna take your scissors and you're going to cut the bottom. And basically what you want to do is you want to free up some of the spiral so that you're able to cut like a whole piece of it off. So you're just going to want to take the spiral kind of out of the notebook, or unspiral it, despiral it, whatever. And you're just going to want to unspiral that. Next, you're going to take your scissor and you're going to cut off a piece that is pretty long, about this size, and you don't want it to be too small because you can always cut off extra wire, but you can't always add it. So yeah. Now you're gonna take your pliers and you're basically gonna take one end of that little wire and you're going to bend it inwards, kind of like you're trying to form a really tight U shape. Without bending the rest of the wire, you want to bend in that one piece, just like how I'm doing here. And you want to be very careful because you don't want to hurt yourself, obviously. And then you're just going to squeeze it together as tight as you can, like this. Now you're going to start turning the whole piece of wire into a U shape. You don't want it to be too U-y. You want it to be more like a circle. I made mine more like a U shape just because I feel like that's what looks best with the shape of my nose, because my nose is kind of weird. My nose is kind of weirdly shaped, but I feel like the U looked best with my nose, even though that's probably not what a natural nose ring would look like. But I'm just kind of shaping the wire into looking more like a U-ish circle look, and I'm pushing those two end parts together. This is me just shaping it to my liking. You You want to make sure those two end pieces are very close, because those are the parts that actually touch your nose that are going to look like the actual piercing. So you want to make sure those are close, because otherwise it will fall off your nose. Now you're going to take your rubbing alcohol and you're just going to clean the piercing, because, you know, that's a spiral notebook. And dude, you just want to make sure it's clean before you put it on your skin and all that. Ignore the little stray cotton hairs from the cotton ball. But, yep, and there you have it, your DIY nose ring. I hope you guys like my sweatshirt. This is Riverdale football. And it says Andrews on the back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys got to make a nose ring, and I really hope you guys use it. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure to like it. Make sure to comment. Make sure to subscribe. Ratchet, yeah. Let's see.